Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to another motivating cleaning video. I am certain that this will inspire you and get you moving to do all the things needed to tackle in your home. Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am going to be doing a power hour. I am finding these things to be so fun and motivating. We have been on the struggle bus with having one car, and our mechanic finally called to let us know that we can come get our car. So I got my timer set for an hour before my husband gets home for us to go get my car.
I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, see the logic of things.
I am finding these power hours to be so fun and motivating, and this video is extra fun today because it's in collaboration with a few of my girlfriends here on YouTube. My girlfriends Courtney and Yasina, Gretchen, Sydney, Wynn, Betty, and Courtney Corrence are all so sweet and fun, and I know that you would love them, so be sure to check them out. You can find all their videos in the playlist that will be found in my description box, so subscribe to their channel and let them know that I sent you. What I love about this collab is that it's going to give you a different expressions of motherhood and where we are in our lives. Some of us are moving to a new home, we are decluttering and reorganizing, and some, like myself, y'all, are beating the clock to see what we can get done so we can go get our car and get off the struggle bus. So join us in this power hour and do what we are doing, or just sit and watch and feel inspired to tackle what's on your to-do list.
You are illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the...
And if you are coming from one of my girlfriend's channels, hi, my name is Sherrell, and I hope that you would consider subscribing and liking this video if you enjoy it.
So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
This is my normal Monday cleaning routine. I'm going to be honest with you, your girl does not clean her oven every week. If you do, I just want to let you know that in heaven, Jesus is holding a toaster with your name engraved on it. I am just giving it a quick write down since I have been doing a little more cooking since my kids are out of school. And this Dollar Tree wand scrub thingy is just water, vinegar, and Dawn dish soap.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
Next, I'm just wiping my counters using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the Sit Peony.
Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
I love coming home to a fresh scent. I'm just adding this essential oil to my diffuser.
The things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love, how we want it. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things.
Next, I'm going to take care of the dishes in the sink.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us.
I'm just wiping my table down and then I'm gonna vacuum my floors.
He's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history.
Last thing on my list to do is to mop the floors in my dining room and kitchen.
A bad situation, look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it?
So I was checking my phone to see how well I was doing with my time, and you will see by my reaction if I beat the clock.
His finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Y'all, this power hour stuff, it gives you the momentum, the energy to go tackle some more. I am super excited to be doing this collab with my YouTube boos. There's 8 of us, including myself, so that means that is over an hour of ultimate cleaning, motivation, experience, oh my gosh, influence, encouragement, all the things to get you excited and to get you pumped and motivated to get the things off of your to-do list. I will be sure to list all my girlfriends' channels down in my description box. Be sure to watch their videos, subscribe, like, and comment, you guys. I am so happy. I mean, there's something about girl power and all of us getting together and just collabing. So I am so thankful for each and every one of them. You guys will not regret checking out the other ladies. I'm telling you, if you like this channel, you are going to love their channel as well. They are some phenomenal women, and I'm so thankful that our lives have connected over the interwebs and we have built this great relationship. But anyway, you guys, ramble forever, but thank you so much for watching, and until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful.